Ganun. Hi ma'am and sir. Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I am Maria Diana Azucena Belgica from Philippines. I am 35 years old, married. I am blessed with 5 children ages 17, 15, 12, 8, and 6. My highest educational attainment is graduating in ALS Alternative Learning System. My hobbies are cooking and singing. I work as domestic helper in Kuwait for almost 5 years in one employer, and I serve 3 members of the family, including one boy aged 15 years old. My duties are taking care of one boy, cooking food, cleaning the house, laundry, and ironing. I also know how to take care of newborn, baby, toddler, and children. I'd like to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money to my children needs in their future. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I am trustworthy, honest, loyal, and hard-working woman. I'll promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and looking forward to work with you.